Oh!
Did you see that lightning?
Did you record that? It's like it struck that tree.
Oh my god, did you see that?
Did you see that, man? I thought it. If we could wake up on but then ship.
Oh my god!
Right now.
Come on. I miss really good ones. I need a good one now. While I have chip memory. Come on. Come on. Oh, did you see that?
Yeah, we've been up 2 hours.
Alright, there's my fourth part. Because my memory card sucks.
You just farted.
Oh crap, did you see? Oh my god, did you see those?
It was only a little bit though. Be careful of the spiky plants.
I know. Oh, did you?
Do this one.
Alright. Oh, there was one right there. I'm not sure if I got
I
that.
thought I saw the moon.
Yeah, and some are coming out from that side there. It's insane.
This is insanely cool. Would you like to see a thunderstorm?
Oh my god, I got that.
I missed that. Yes, that was cool. Nothing coming out now. Is there? Oh, I see an airplane for that. It's like that gets electrified. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my god, and it burns down. Oh, it's so cool. I think I'll electrify it. I'll be like, yeah. Yes, but it would burn down into flames and it'll go down.
Oh my gosh,
You get that?
got that.
Yeah. That's a base.
God, come on.
I'm hearing rolls of thunder. Okay, be quiet.
I can hear rolls of thunder.
I know, me too. Okay, is there sound? Yeah, okay, shh, be quiet.
Come on, big one.
I'm not sleeping.
Oh, I got that. I got that.
When's the lightning went away? I see this little circle. Okay.
Alright. There should be lightning. There shall be lightning. Kapow! There is no lightning. Got that. Oh, snap! I got that. Shut up, I got that.
Like I said, lightning was gonna be over there.
I got it. Mail.
Oh, you got that one too.
I don't know.
I was trying to tell you, lightning was gonna be over there. Get hit by the spikes.
I got that.
What? I didn't see it. It showed that thing. It's like that. I just but some that, so we like give you something much. No, but some, like, you know, like homework or something. Oh, stupid. That was a big flash. It looks like someone was taking a picture. Let me bring us some drinks too, whatever. If you get them. Yeah, you want better water?
Water.
Water? I'll take water. Anything. Water. Mostly. Yeah, but still, pretty small. He missed too, that was pretty big.
Wow, that was a big flash.
Yeah, it came from all. Dang! Oh my god, I hate. Maybe did you want to see the lightning? No. Why not? I have maybe. Holy crap, that was big.
Oh my
That was
god,
really
those
big.
were two big ones.
They didn't really care. And also that girl's wearing a purse and everything, so they're probably like,
Did you see that? The lights have went out. There's no power. Holy crap, there was a giant rolling thunder. I can't believe I missed it.
look, oh see, it's all went off. It's starting
And
to
look,
fall
the
off.
lights are turning back on after a giant flash.
Not only if you were here at that time. That was so
Holy,
close
oh my
to us.
god.
That was so scary.
God, man.
On the side, didn't you miss it, right?
I got that.
Barely saw that.
I'm not sure if you can hear the thunder, but that is scary. Oh my god.
My God. 75%. Yes, they kept on saying house is getting burned down. And so 75% instant dump cuts. Hold on, but I hear people way up there. They're like, whoa, whoa. I just heard something. TV over there. You can see the flash.
Oh my god.
Rain.
Alright.
Rain's coming.
Yeah, I feel rain. We moved to a new location, so to get a better view of the lightning.
Ben, you want us to bring umbrellas so the cameras get wet? Right. No, put the camera right there.
I'm out of film.
No, you need to put the camera right there. Because that's where...
I know.
Why do I feel rain?
It's raining.
Yeah, more over there.
Oh crap, come on. This is where the huge ones go.
Okay, I need to shower. This is the second thing. It's raining.
I got it. Yes.
Usually in big thunderstorms, there's rain. Then there's no. I'm not saying in order, but there's wind, rain, thunderstorm, thunder. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, I know. Yeah.
Oh my god. This is the biggest thunderstorm I've ever been in. The power went out and everything. Crap.
Okay, I felt one on my cheek. Sweating like crazy.
Whoa.
Okay, it's coming now.
That's insane. It's insane.
Maybe just jump off.
This is gonna be the last time I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna go downstairs and sleep now. Whoa. That was insane.
Yes.
First lightning storm in Camarillo I've ever seen.
Me too.
Especially one that makes a blackout.
You should show your face and say, "This, I am the cameraman. This is cool."
Alright. Different view. Hopefully a different view of the lightning. Oh my god. I got that. And this is really crazy. I'm sweating all over.
Me too. I'm not.
Oh.
Third time.
God damn, I missed another power outage. It was the third one of the night.
You can hear the rain. It's now raining harder. Now it got
This is weird. This is scary. This is awesome.
It got super freaky.
Oh my god, that looked like. As you can see, I'm back in the house. Yeah, so my mom's pissed and I have to go to sleep. 2:10 in the morning. Well, yeah. So, see you guys.